Beloved sisters and brothers of the universe, this is Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi. In this video, I want to highlight and really let you know the importance of your mother. But for mother, we could not be born. It is not only applicable to human being, mankind, but every species has its origin from its mother. So this importance of mother is really the creator who gives us the opportunity to dwell on this mother earth and really complete the journey of our life. And not only that, when we are born, we are very helpless. We have nothing. We rely on the care of our mother. We rely on the milk of our mother. Every day, every moment, every second, mother is taking care of us, protecting us, and slowly nourishing and making us a very useful and productive human being. Some intelligent mothers also make us supremely charged with noble thoughts, great thoughts. That is truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. Such are the mothers who are really very remarkable. But if an ordinary mother who are giving us birth, they are also not less than anybody else. Because once we are born, how difficult it is for a mother to put in the womb, in the uterus for 9 months, and then give birth after a lot of pain, another life, and then take care of us for years together, and then we are born. The feelings, the care, the love and affection, the mother is unparalleled. That's why, to express our gratitude and love and affection to our mother, we are celebrating every year Mother's Day. But once the day is gone, do we remember really the meaning of the word mother and the feelings what the mother has shared with us? She has given blood, toil, tears and sweat so that we can be happy, we can be knowledgeable, we can be capable, and we can be very useful and productive human being on earth. Every mother, even the mothers of the terrorists and criminals, never want their children to be deviating from the noble path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity and cooperation. No mother wants the child to follow the path of evils, that is greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. So mother not only giving birth, but also giving us intellectual birth, seeking the truth, and by following the truthful path, we can really establish the kingdom of God on this planet earth, where there is no greed, there is no hatred, there is no jealousy, there is only enlightenment, the pure thoughts, the divine thoughts, and no groveling, no bestial, no ignorant, no indolent, no foolish thoughts. That's the importance of a mother. Mothers of the world, arise, awake, and not only give birth to your children in the biological form, but in the spiritual, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, very balanced and very powerful. Like Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, like Jesus, like Einstein, Newton, C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. These were the people who really glorified their mother's womb and the motherland where they were born. My mother came in the night, and when I sensed and felt her love and affection, I was inspired to talk on this importance of mother in our life. Thank you, viewers. Love your mother, respect your mother. Reciprocate. You can't do any justice to her sacrifice, but even a fraction will be really giving you some certificate of being a noble child of a great mother, daughters or son of a great mother. Thank you very much.